I am excited to show you guys these. Can't wait. What's going on YouTube? This is Jason Tang TV, bringing you guys another video. For today's video, we have a pickup from StockX. I just wanted to throw this out there. This was before the whole craze with the coronavirus and everything. I just want you guys to know, make smart purchases, smart decisions. This is a time that we really need to think about our finances, especially with what is going on. So this video is just showing you guys a pickup from, I think I picked these up about a month ago. Damn. It's been a good 2 months. I purchased these on the 6th of February. So yeah, it's been a long time since I've just had this package just chilling. I'll show you guys it right now. Like, I've had these a while ago and I ended up selling them off, unfortunately, at that time. But the crazy part is we got these cheaper than the time we bought them for. Cheaper than ever. Like, I am so surprised that somebody accepted my bid, and that's the whole meaning of this video. Is I just want you guys to know, like, be patient. And during these times, I know it's not good to say, but like, if you're financially at a point where you can pick up like shoes or clothes, something that you've been eyeing for a really long time, I honestly think that there's going to be a pullback of a lot of bids on StockX, and the price of some shoes are going to go down. The new hype shoes, like the Off-White Jordan 5s, the Travis Scott 6s, the Off-White Dunks, like, all of those have just been declining in price. Like I said, if you are in a financial, stable situation, I mean, I'm not saying to go blow your money away, but like, make smart decisions, of course. But like, this is honestly at a point where we are going to start seeing a lot of declines, in my opinion, in the sneaker market and the reselling industry, especially with all this going on. So I just wanted to, give you guys a perspective of that. I'm curious to know what you guys think. So leave a comment down below. Let's have a discussion about this. Okay. So let's go ahead and open these up. All right. So let's show you guys the inside of the box. So as you guys can see, bubble wrapped, pretty nice. The box actually looks like it's in really good condition. And looks like here, no StockX receipt. So hopefully maybe we'll find the receipt in one of these boxes. If you guys have been collecting for a few years now, you guys know what these are. We have a green box and then the yellow box. Let's pull out the green one first, because that's not the Heights pair. So I paid $269.68, and that price is just insane. Crazy steal. Crazy steal. I'm telling you guys are gonna find all these steals on StockX. Just throw a bid out there. The price of these, it says $500 right there. $500. StockX sticker, a receipt, and we have this Supreme card right here. Card telling you about StockX, I guess. That's funny that that's the picture and we're wearing it right now. And onto the shoes. So we've got the CP3 pair right here. This box is in crazy condition for the year. Whoever had these took real good care of these. So these right here are the CP3 3s. Honestly think they're a pretty dope sneaker. I love the colors, green and yellow, and we'll see what I do with these. I might end up balling in them. I know they're probably not that great to ball in, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, but there's the CP3 pair. Let's go on to the 6s now. This is why I bought the pack. And I remember having these like a long time ago. Let's check them out. All right. And they are as buttery as I remember them. Amazing leather quality. These have a crazy smell to them. That leather is just so nice on these. I'm honestly so surprised that people don't like this Jordan 6 right here. Like, the prices are going down on them, and I just love this colorway. Really happy that I can add this back into the collection. The details of this, you have the speckles, you have that nice suede nubuck like material. You have that super supple leather. This was a crazy deal. I mean, hopefully more of these start coming, and like we can start picking up the old retros and stuff that, you know, everybody has hyped over for the past couple of years now. I hope that really does happen, where all the prices start going down on them. And a lot of people don't even know about these two shoes. So let me know what you guys think about this pack. Did I get a steal for what I bought? What do you guys have saved your money to maybe pick up something else in this day and age? But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about the sneaker market. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. You guys already know. Hit that thumbs up. This is Jason Tang TV. I'm out, you guys. Peace.